This is the Norco Magnum 2012. And I'll start with the suspension. They have a RST Dirt suspension, 4.5 inch. They have Kira tires. They have Tektro disc brakes. I have a Shimano derailleur. I have alloy aluminum frame. It's pretty nice. And there's Welgo pedals. Got a Shimano Acera gear changer. Nice cranks there, step up cranks, FSA. Norco grips, pretty grippy, like them, they're pretty cool. Handlebars. Those are my disc brakes, right here. Pro Max, the disc is Pro Max. And seat there, Norco seat. And that's pretty much it. Thanks guys.